All right, rising rhythms. Number 15 begins us with the quarter note. So as you feel the beat, each note is going to be one beat long, one full beat. And when I say that, I mean it's not going to be because there's space between. So we need that smooth to blow through the notes. Here's number 15. Here's stepping stones. It says right in the instructions, keep the air moving. We're going to go a little faster on this one. 2, 3. All right, getting a little poppy sound, so I just emptied my water key. Anytime you start hearing that popping sound and it's not caused by a lack of air, empty that out. Well, all right, rain, rain. It's ironic that song is on today because it is a rainy day here. A little slower again. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, moving on. Number 18, we're in a minor mood, which is kind of fitting for this rainy day here. Oh, we have our new note C. For most people watching this video, that's going to be out in 6th position. If you have a trigger horn, like this one, this is called the F attachment. Basically what it does is it changes your horn into an F. So you can play your C's. It's a little flat though. That's better. In a minor mood. For the end of this, where you have the E flat, the rest, the D, the rest, I usually think ta, off, and then the long note. Off, off. I tap my foot as I play these, and when my foot comes down on beat 2 is when I'm off that note. Not everyone wants to tap your foot, and a lot of teachers say tap your foot, a lot say don't, but it does help you feel the beat. The biggest issue I've seen with it is tapping the beat and not the rhythm. All right, and moving on here to the all-time favorite song, Hot Cross Buns. Very famous song. Every band director has heard this millions of times. Sometimes they even hear it in their sleep. I know, I've been there. Be very careful in this song that you do not play the ending the same way you play the beginning. The beginning is the ending is the ending is off, off. However, you never want to at a concert say off in the middle of a song. All right, and the last one we're going to do for this one is Go Tell Aunt Rhodie. Go Tell Aunt Rhodie. Pick up the tempo just a little bit here. 2, 3, 4.